Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rotate the screen on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So if you don't have a physical keyboard attached to this device, you can simply tilt the screen and this will rotate it automatically. But if you have a physical keyboard attached and your device is in a desktop mode, then you have to open the start menu, open settings, then go to system on the sidebar. After that you have to select display and here find the display orientation option and change it from landscape to for example portrait, and then keep changes within 15 seconds. If you don't keep changes within 15 seconds, they will be automatically reverted. To rotate it back, select landscape right here. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.